We are this morning here standing in the tall, damp grass in the dark, awaiting the launch of the Antares rocket that's going to carry the Cygnus cargo module to the International Space Station.
T-minus 10. Mark.
Hi, I'm Kay Heyer, NASA astronaut. Witnessing a rocket launch in person, it can actually emotionally change you a little bit. Once you hear it, the sound waves actually kind of hit you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You actually feel this launch, and that is something very special to experience in person.
Velocity passing 5,000 feet per second. Engines are
Definitely encourage anyone who's never seen a rocket launch to try to get to one. It's really such a great visible manifestation, if you will, of all the efforts of this entire NASA team.